Philippines and in the world. Let us now lend our ears, and how about we give a round of applause to our RMN Incorporated President, Chairman, and CEO, Sir Eric Hanoy.
Salamat, Gid. That's mayong aga kanyang tanan. Good morning, everyone. It's nice to be back in Bacolod. It's quite some time that I've not been here. And it's nice to see that we're integrating again. Not really integrated, refurbishing and blessing. But as Johnny was mentioning, that this was a testament of our commitment to the people of Bacolod City. Anong siling na, Congressman Dino? Bacolod nun. And to the island of Negros Occidental, Negrenses also. Considering that this is a new region already, that's why we have to make our presence here felt in the region. And the next one that we want to be is that in Dumaguete City, is the other part of the region, where Negros Island region. So we also have our people here from the old Panay region, where Negros Occidental was part of, no? Iloilo, Rojas, Calibo, so they're here. So ano na lang, antiki na lang kulang. But it's nice to be back here to see everybody. Like any father, I guess it's nice to see your children as they keep on growing up. And the testament of that is bringing my children. Actually, there will be these last few times that I'll be addressing everybody. Kasi dapat sila na, di ba? May dapat the next generation na mag-take over na talaga. So I'm just being like Father Raymond was saying, I'm still the old acacia here. I hopefully don't topple down. I'm tall, hopefully not proud. I'm trying to dig deeper roots and all of this that we put together. So this is, like I said, a testament of our dedication to what we do. And this is what RMN also does all over the place. And just a friendly reminder as we come to see our people here in Bacolod. Nice to see all of you. Some of you I may not know anymore. Some of you still do a little but welcome. And we work together for the same purpose, that we're here to serve. That's the first thing that we always remember, we're here to serve. And today's blessing is also an occasion for us to share the blessings that we've received throughout the years. Share it with you, our people, and the people we serve, the communities where we are. So, just a friendly reminder to all our Radyoman here in Bacolod and all over the Philippines that, as I repeat, the RMN Creed always, that RMN holds no interest higher than the national interest and no obligation other than public service. Salamat sa iyong tanan and hope it's have a wonderful afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think our President, Chairman, and CEO deserve some much louder applause, guys. Thank you very much. So Eric, your presence here inspires all of us to aspire for more. So thank you, Sir Eric. At this point,